Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are very welcome to Jungles Entertainment. Here we give you hot gist of what is trending in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. Please do it to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like if you are new in our midst. Davido didn't receive praises from his colleagues when he celebrated his 10th year in the music industry. And Davido actually confirmed this when someone dropped a message that most of the praises Davido got for his 10th anniversary came from his fans, his colleagues out there acting all blind and chill. And after this message, Davido replied that, "Not today, Lord." It's like a normal thing for him. He has been seeing these times without number that his friends or his colleagues, they don't, appreciate him. And we all know Davido has been doing very well for himself in the music industry. He's been helping other people too. But still talking about Davido, one of his friends, Cubana Chief Priest, though he is a Cubana Chief Priest is a celebrity, but he's not a musician. They are not colleagues. Cubana Chief Priest penned a lovely note to singer Davido on the occasion of his 10th year anniversary in the music industry. The celebrity barman hailed Davido for bringing others along with him to the top in all his years of doing music. That is sweet coming from Cubana Chief Priest. And according to the note he wrote, he said, "I am so proud to have you." Cubana Chief Priest writes to Davido. Well, enough said about Davido. Let's move on to Burna Boy. Burna Boy did not receive money from Governor Wike as alleged. Burna Boy's manager insists that it would have been a travesty if any other state had hosted the singer before Rivers State. Nigerian academic businesswoman and talent manager Bose Ogulu, who manages her Grammy award-winning song Burna Boy, whose real name is Damini Ogulu, says Burna wasn't given 10 million naira as promised by Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike in March. According to her, she said the first thing was that money wasn't paid. By the way, it was paid to everyone else but him. Everyone else who came to perform was paid but him, because they were honoring him. He wasn't being paid to be there. It is only a bastard, my people say, that refuses honor in his father's house, Ogulu says. So we've heard it from Burna Boy's manager and mother that his son wasn't giving 10 million naira as alleged by people. It has been trending that Burna Boy got 10 million naira from Nyesom Wike. But according to what she said, other artists received the 10 million naira. Artists like Timaya, Duncan Mighty, who performed at the Burna Boy's homecoming concert in Rivers State. But, well, we've heard it from Burna Boy's mother and manager. What are thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop a comment below. Well, let us move on to Big Brother Naija. People have been hoping, they have been expecting who will host the next season of Big Brother Naija. Guess what? Ebuka just dropped a message. He said, well, guess who is returning as the host of the next season of Big Brother Naija, season 6. Ebuka will be returning as the host for the 2021 Big Brother Naija for the 6th time. Recently there was this message that was circulating that they should give the host should be given to someone else. Frank Edoho, who was hosting Who Wants to Be a Millionaire for some time, that they should switch the host. Yeah, that he should come in and replace Ebuka. But guess what? Ebuka will be returning as a host for 2021 Big Brother Naija for the 6th time. What are your thoughts on that? Please just drop your comments below. Is Ebuka really a good host or nah? Are you a nay or yay? Drop your comments below. Well, the federal government of Nigeria has announced phase 2 of COVID-19 lockdown. That this phase 2 of COVID-19 lockdown will take effect from Tuesday. According to the federal government, it said effective from midnight Tuesday, 11th of May 2021, that new COVID-19 takes effect nationwide. According to the guidelines, they said 1. Mass gathering in a public place will be restricted to 50 persons. 2. Bars and nightclubs should remain closed. 3. The nationwide curfew takes effect from midnight till further notice. 4. No limitation, however, to interstate travel. 5. Recreational facilities are to close until 11th of June 2021 when the protocols will be reviewed. 6. Security agencies empowered to make arrests of any violator to strengthen responses to the guidelines. Wow. And 7 states to establish mobile courts to try cases of violation. Another lockdown in this country. Well, what are thoughts on that? Don't forget to drop your comment below. We've heard it from the federal government of Nigeria, and they're giving us guidelines on how to go about the nationwide lockdown. Recently, we spoke about Alex Ekubo, that he went to the United States of America and proposed to his longtime girlfriend. And guess what? They have fixed a date for their wedding. Alex Ekubo and his fiancée, Fancy, announced that they'll be having their traditional wedding on the 20th of November 2021 and the church wedding on the 27th of November 2021. Well, congratulations to the lovely couple, and we all know from the Banshees word that love is a beautiful thing. Well, we can't wait for this wedding to see their wedding pictures and stuff, and maybe we'll be invited, to go and eat rice under the canopy. In the United States of America, there's this state, Texas. On Wednesday night, May 5th, the Texas Senate approved a bill allowing residents to carry handguns in the states without a permit and other requirements. Under the current law, so anyone over 21 can carry without a permit so long as they don't have any prior violent convictions. Currently, the state allows permitless carry for firearms. Additionally, it is reported that Governor Abbott has already stated that he will sign the bill as soon as he receives it. He mentioned once the Senate passes it out, the House and the Senate will convene and work out any differences and get it to my desk, and I will be signing. I support it, and I believe it should reach my desk, and we should have constitutional carry in Texas. This is something that 20 other states have adopted, and it's time for Texas to adopt it too. Anybody, as long as you are 21 years old and above, you can carry firearms without permit. I bet that can is no come Nigeria, make it no come Nigeria at all, because that is something else. That is something terrible. Desmond Elliott has been trending on Twitter. He has been trending on Twitter. We keep seeing his pictures on Twitter, on Instagram, and even Facebook. He has basically been trending on all social media platforms. Well, some people might ask why. Why is this guy trending? The Nollywood actor turned politician Honorable Desmond Elliott subscribes to premium dragging on Twitter after commissioning a wooden bridge also known as Paku. Many said the signboard is even more expensive than the Paku bridge itself. Yes, from what you can see in this picture, the signboard looks more expensive than the bridge. On a more serious note, why not build a concrete bridge that would at least last for 20 years or more? This is pure waste of Nigerian funds, and people are not really happy with Desmond Elliott for what he did. How can you build a low-level bridge and use a high-level signboard? Man, it doesn't count at all. It doesn't balance. The equation is not balanced. It's not balanced. That's why you see Desmond Elliott, he has been trending on Twitter. People have been attacking him, that what he did was wrong in the eyes of everybody. Well, what are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comments below. Well, talking about love, this love of a thing is causing commotions here and there. A 42-year-old man identified as Papa Gabi has been arrested for allegedly killing his girlfriend with a hammer after he claims she denied him sex. The incident happened in the western region of Ghana in the early hours of Saturday, April 24th. It was gathered that the incident, which occurred shortly after midnight, started with a quarrel, which later degenerated into a struggle between the suspect, also known as landlord and identified simply as Rita. Killing your girlfriend for denying you sex. Wahala too much for this war. Wahala be like bicycle. You know they have to start at all. Recently there were these tweets from Uluwo of Iwo. He said, "I want to buy Chelsea." Someone actually drops a message regarding these tweets. The person replied him and said he is obviously talking about Drygen, not Chelsea Football Club, because you are the Uluwo of Owo. You want to buy Chelsea. Chelsea, that is the one of the hottest club in Europe right now. You want to buy Chelsea from Nigeria. What are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop that comment below. Thank you very much for watching Jungle Entertainment. We hope you entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with the times. Take care of yourself. Have a lovely day.